DCA can be a safer approach than going all in on a single investment or on a single trade in the world of cryptocurrencies. By buying more of an asset as the price falls, it can help to manage risk and potentially increase returns. When you go all in on a single investment, you are putting all your eggs in one basket. That means that if the price of the asset falls, your entire investment is at risk. On the other hand, by using the dollar cost averaging strategy, if the price falls, you are buying more of the asset at a lower price, averaging your overall cost basis. Additionally, by using the DCA strategy, you are not trying to time the market, which is a difficult task even for professional traders. By investing a fixed amount as the coin falls, you are taking a long-term approach and not trying to predict the short-term price movements, which can help reduce risk. It's also important to keep in mind that the cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility and prices can fluctuate greatly in a short period of time. So before applying the strategy, it's essential to do your own research and have a clear understanding of the coin or token you're investing in and the market conditions that may affect its price. While in most cases DCA can reduce the risk of an investment, if used badly, it can lead to serious losses. For example, if you keep buying a coin that is dropping, it can also happen that it never bounces back. This happened to FTX and Luna this year. Therefore, you should always have a maximum amount that you are willing to risk on any particular coin in order to minimize the amount that you can use. In conclusion, the DCA investment strategy can be a safer approach than going all in on a single investment in the world of cryptocurrencies. By investing a fixed amount at regular intervals regardless of the price, it can help to manage risk and potentially increase returns. It's essential to do your own research and understand the coin or token you are investing in and the market conditions that may affect its price before applying this strategy. Also, it's essential to set a max amount that you are willing to invest in any coin.